Understanding Emotional Betrayal, a guide to navigating deep hurts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language and its expressions. Today, we're going to explore a concept that touches the very core of our emotional world. Emotional betrayal. This term might sound complex, but it's something many of us have experienced or witnessed in our lives. Understanding what it means can help us navigate our relationships better. So, let's break it down together. At its core, emotional betrayal refers to the act of breaking a trust or bond in a deeply hurtful way, without necessarily involving physical infidelity. It can happen between friends, family members, or romantic partners. Emotional betrayal is when someone you trust and share your deepest feelings with does something that hurts you emotionally. This could be lying, hiding important information, emotional cheating with someone else, or not supporting you in a crucial moment. The key elements that constitute emotional betrayal include trust. You had faith in someone to respect your feelings and emotional well-being. Betrayal. That person did something that went against your trust. Emotional hurt. The result is significant emotional pain and disappointment. To give you a clearer picture, let's go over a few examples. A close friend sharing your personal secrets with others without your permission. Your partner forming a romantic or excessively close emotional bond with someone else, excluding physical intimacy. A family member consistently dismissing your feelings or achievements, making you feel undervalued and invisible. These scenarios highlight how emotional betrayal can vary in form but always involves a breach of trust that leads to emotional pain. The impact of emotional betrayal can be profound and long-lasting. It can lead to loss of trust. Rebuilding trust after betrayal is difficult and sometimes impossible. Emotional distress. Feelings of sadness, anger, confusion, and low self-esteem are common. Strained relationships. Emotional betrayal can permanently damage the foundation of a relationship. Understanding its impact helps in acknowledging the feelings involved and the need for healing or resolution. Coping with emotional betrayal involves several steps. Acknowledging your feelings. It's important to recognize and accept your emotions as valid. Seeking support. Talk to trusted friends, family, or a professional who can provide guidance and comfort. Setting boundaries. It might be necessary to redefine or set new boundaries in your relationship with the betrayer. Self-care. Engaging in activities that promote well-being and self-compassion is crucial during this time. Healing from emotional betrayal takes time and patience, but it's a crucial step towards emotional resilience. We hope this video has shed some light on the complex yet important topic of emotional betrayal. Understanding what it entails and how to deal with it can empower us to make informed decisions about our relationships and emotional health. Remember, it's okay to seek help and take time for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Take care, and see you in the next video.